Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at this Potterton. It's got intermittent hot water, the central heating is working fine. And I've got a new tool to share with you in this film. And if I didn't have that tool, I would have really struggled on this job. So carry on watching and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Excuse me, have you... Okay, no worries, thanks. Back at his Potterton, he was having intermittent fault on hot water, but central heating was fine. So let's open it up. See, that was the switch was coming on, right, but the turbine wasn't. Yes. So we're going to change that. And change the turbine on it. I'll go in here. Hopefully it's the right one. We'll only find out when I get the other one out. Yes, ice get water. Yeah, open the tap. And ready to sort that.
What did you close?
I did? Yeah, cold in it. And take that out, get this out of the way. Yeah. And you know what? We got a new tool for this job, right? 18mm, and this we're gonna try it out. Now that is badly seized. If you could see it over there, it's badly seized inside there. Can you see that? Look at that. It's gonna be a tough one to get out, but let's find out. Okay. So the thing is, right, we couldn't get it on this side, because due to gas pipe. And there's a gas pipe and the floor, the return pipe on behind it. So we have to get it behind the pump, and here it is. And now the best way to do it, we're going to push it and see if it opens. Yeah, you see it there? Yeah, and there it is. Right at the back way, connected there. Okay, I'll switch the camera off. I'm going to do it now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this panel off. There's another one there. No, you're right. We're just going to one more screw to take off. And then we're going to take the side panel off. Okay, right, we got it all. Got my screwdriver in there because I can't take the back panel off. I don't know why. But anyway, so I put some energy into it. And it's moved. I've loosened it, yeah. So, that's great.
So, do you invest?
I think it's worthwhile investing in one of these. There you go. That would have been a nightmare of a job. There you go. Especially for this, yeah? That's it. Okay, this, can you see that plastic thing inside there? It's stuck inside it. Right, I think that's why it's been giving intermittent issues on it. And look at it straight away. So we got a new one. Right, that's it. I got that out. Listen guys, look, can you see it straight away? I'm telling you, if I was using a normal 18mm, there's no way I was getting this out. I would have been using pump pliers and heating it and all that bullshit. I would have been struggling with this, but this took me 10 minutes. Right, only because of this thing, yeah. So I'm going to I've got myself one of these. I was a bit spectacle. I was thinking it might not work, but it did. didn't any good, man. I had to really put my force into it, lean into it and all that. So that's brilliant. That's done the job. Now put this one in. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So this, it's been in my car for a while now. I have ordered another one that's going to come tomorrow, but I just noticed I had one of these in my car, so I'm just going to put this in. Hopefully that'll do the job. If it doesn't, then I have to get another one, I suppose. So I've lubricated it, and I'm just going to put it back where it belongs, there. Right, can you see it? See, I'm an engineer, but not a cameraman. So I'm going to always use my hands to wait till it focuses. Yeah, there. If I just put that there, okay, no worries. And there you go. Put my hand to the back of it. There you go. The reason I'm doing a hand tight, right, because I don't want to cross thread it. Last thing I want to do. Right. That's in. I've tightened the ear. And I'm just going to open the bottom. If it leaks, I'm just going to tighten it a bit more. I don't go crazy on tightening things. So I'm just going to open it. If it leaks, I'm just going to tighten it a bit more. And there you go. Put it coming out. Oops, that made me jump. Okay. That's it. And it's not leaking, as long as it's not leaking yet. You don't need to go crazy hard and tighten it hard. That's all it is. Right, and that's sorted. Now put the clip on it somewhere here. There it is. Now, fingers crossed. It's not coming up. So it hasn't come on, but now I had to turn the clip around. You see that? So I had it on upside down, unfortunately. So anyway, turn it on. The board now. And the loaded lights now. And the board is fine. So these guys are going to get nice and hot water now. Oh, that's it. It's coming through now anyway. Yeah, it's getting warmer. Just hang on. Let's go. So guys, after a long hard day, me and my brother Amin, that's this guy here, we thought we'd grab some food, right? And I was starving and I thought, this is a new place, let's try it out. I had this one, it's called, it's Wings Star, whatever, however you want to call it. It's on the roundabout, on the Coles Road, on the Warwick Road, Acock Green. So we'll see how you go. When you had a hard day and it's afternoon, late afternoon, and you're hungry, anything tastes nice, everything tastes nice. So what did I go for? I went for an Angus burger, yeah? Big. Look at the fries, right? Nice and juicy. You get a sauce with it as well, compo, right? And that's your Angus burger. Beef Angus burger, yeah. Let's see how that goes. It's alright, it's nice. Angus burgers always, it tastes the same everywhere. I'm a messy eater, man. You got half of mine in my mouth, on my face. just finished my meal, yeah. Finished it all up. The burger was nice, the fries were quite nice too. So I would come back here again and again. And it's reasonably priced too. And I think my friend here is going to bring his family here next. So thumbs up to this place. Thank you.